Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ibotta how to cash out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Cashing out your Ibotta earnings is simple. To do it, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Ibotta app. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the login button on the top left corner and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully log into your account. Now once logged into your account, on the top right you'll be seeing your earning balances. Simply tap on that, and there on tapping you'll find an option that says withdraw cash. Simply tap on that. Now inside, choose a payment method from PayPal, Venmo or gift cards. Then once selected, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cash out. Important cash out details to remember are minimum withdrawal amount is $20 and processing time for PayPal and Venmo is usually done within 24 hours and gift card usually is instant as sent via email. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.